Welcome back, Swiss Cheese Trails, section 23 of the Swiss Alpine Panorama Trail. We got some Swiss Alpine views going on. So, down below is Montreux, and then the long valley back to Brig. Those peaks over there across the way have French names. That's not all that unexpected, but I do think they are in Switzerland. The middle peak is the Barricade, the Chapel, and something else. There's like 5 named peaks over there. Anyway, we're at the cog rail station for Lally, and there are a lot of people up here, and this is how they get up here, presumably. I don't think people are walking up 3,500 feet to get up here. They're certainly not dressed like it. Oh, look, we got a back view here too. Oh, fantastic. So that's what we've been doing today. Going from over there to over here. We haven't had too much opportunity to talk about cogwheel train, but this is the cogwheel train. So the cog's in the middle of the track, that's what the motor's running off of. Oh, that's going all the way down to Vevey. Wow. That would be an easy ride to get down. Well, that's where all the people come from. That was opportunistic. All right, I'm gonna sign out for right now. I think I'm down another, I don't know, 400 feet or so from where last time I said I was down. Yeah, so I'm gonna just, wow, look at these houses. Now this would be this would be a good place because you live on the line, and you could hear how quiet that train is. All right, turned on because we have a very different geography now. As you can see, we got our first vineyards happening on this side. By the way, there's a very beautiful road bridge there. I'm noticing at an up close and personal level, there are lizards here. And there haven't been lizards anywhere on the trail yet. So this is a different geography for those guys to take hold. This beautiful countryside. So we came from way up there.